Hey friends, so we got this little tabletop game. It's called PushingMe, and what it is basically like tic-tac-toe. You got little boxes here, and you got O's and X's, and you pull out one of these, and then when that gap is made, you have to either push them over there. So I could put it here, or I could put it here, and then I could put my X there. And then the next guy goes, and they go, okay, I want to put my O like down here or something, and so they'll pull that out and then put over here, put an O there. So you can't pull out someone else's O or X and then move that, but you can move theirs by like, okay, I want to move that away, so I'll take this one out, move that over, and put my X here, whatever. So it just goes around, and then whoever gets 5 in a row wins. Pretty fun, actually. There's actually some strategy, quite a bit of strategy involved. Nice little wood decorations here. It is not super big. It's probably like 5 by 5 inches. It is, and yeah, but really cool. It's a fun little game too. So if you're on a coffee table or something like that, and be like, hey, this guy's hanging out, just relaxing, and then pull up a little game and play that. So a lot of fun and pretty interesting. I've never seen this game before. I played it a few times now, and it's pretty cool. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.